Hello student, I Dr. R.D. Patil, Head Department of Zoology, वसंतराव नाईक आर्ट सायन्स अँड कॉमर्स कॉलेज शहादा. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी डॉक्टर आर डी पाटील. I already explained the TYBC Zoology course number 4th to 604, that is the microtechnique. In this microtechnique, the totally in syllabus point of view as a 5 units. In 5 units, different kinds of the subtopics are included. The whole syllabus of the microtechnics of the 5 units are completed to as your yesterday, that is your 7 May. टोटल 7 परवा शनिवारी पर्यंत आपण आपला सिलेबस या 5 युनिटचा कंप्लीट केलेला आहे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. तर सिलेबस पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू ने ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ द चॅप्टर्स ऑफ द 5 units we are completed in the Zoom meeting form. So many more students actually the 50% as well as 75% only present student, that is 20 or 30% student are absent. So in your point of view, I already also explained and prepared the YouTube lectures to supply the student we have not appearing the online lectures as well as Zoom meets. Also the whole students are remaining to twice to syllabus are completed. त्या माध्यमातून पुन्हा YouTubeच्या माध्यमातून विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी खास करून पुन्हा आपण ते लेक्चर जे झालेले युनिट आहे तेच पुन्हा मी YouTube वरती व्हिडिओ लेक्चर तयार करून तुमच्या खास विद्यार्थ्यांना पुन्हा त्याचं जास्तीत जास्त पद्धतीने विषयाचा अभ्यास अनुकरण स्कोरिंग होण्याकरता मी तयार करतोय मित्रांनो. म्हणजे झूम मीटिंग माध्यमातून सिलेबस पूर्ण झालेला आहे, परंतु काही जवळजवळ 25% मुलं की आपले जॉईन झाले नसतील किंवा त्या मुलांना नंतर लेट काही प्रॉब्लेम येत असेल नेटवर्क वगैरे, अशा विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी एक सोय म्हणून युट्यूबच्या माध्यमातून लेक्चर तयार करून जे युनिट्स आहेत आपले 5, त्यापैकी पहिल्या युनिटचे 2 लेक्चर मी ऑलरेडी टाकलेले आहेत युट्यूब व्हिडिओ, ॲज इज अ थर्ड व्हिडिओ फॉर द झुलॉजी पेपर 4th Zoo 406 मायक्रोटेक्निक युनिट नंबर 2, दॅट इज वॉशिंग, डिहायड्रेशन अँड क्लिअरिंग. दुसऱ्या युनिट्स आपण या ठिकाणी बघणार आहेत. दॅट इज दिस युनिट इज अ वॉशिंग, dehydration and clearing. Dear friends, we know about detailed study what is mean microtechnique, definition, scope and application of microtechnique, collection of material, kinds of preparation wall mount. We have also smearing technique, teasing technique, also as a fixation, qualities of good fixative and types of fixative. We already discussed by the first unit. In the second unit, that is the first is the washing. Dear friends, first we know about the what is mean washing. Washing is also known as a post fixation treatment. लक्षात तर आपण पोस्ट फिक्सेशन ट्रीटमेंट म्हणतो. डिअर फ्रेंड्स, वी नोन अबाउट दी म्हणजे वॉशिंग दुसरीचं काही नसून फिक्सेशन करण्यानंतरची पहिले फिक्सेशन इज अ प्री अँड लॅटर ऑन द पोस्ट फिक्सेशन केल्यानंतरची येणारी आहे. एनी काइंड्स ऑफ मटेरियल्स विच आर फिक्स्ड इन द फिक्सेटिव्ह, दिस फिक्सेटिव्ह इज नॉट इफेक्ट्स on the tissue material or histological material to directly washing for the 12 to 24 hours in running tap water. त्यासाठी आपण करू शकतो. वॉशिंग करण्या अगोदर त्याच्यात ते थेरी आपल्याला माहिती पाहिजे की थेरी ऑफ वॉशिंग 2.1 theory of washing. Washing generally done by tap water, but the fixative containing mercury chloride or picric acid is not completely removed by only water. The tissue after fixation need washing and medium in which they are to be washed depends after fixation. त्या ठिकाणी खूप महत्त्वाचे आहे मित्रांनो. ऑस्मेंटेटेड सल्फ्युरिक ऍसिड, कट ऑफ द बॉटम ऑफ द टेस्ट ट्यूब, wire of small pieces and to insert the specimens in the tissue to running waters and also released by the fixative. Any kinds of the fixative are not easily released at this time. Logul's iodine also used for the releasing the fixative. After the pieces have been soaked in this solution overnight, they should be transferred to either to 70% or 90% alcohol, in which they should remain until to further color comes out. Specimens so treated never show the fine needle-like crystals after fixation. Tissues fixed in picric acid are bright yellow all this bright yellow color cannot be removed, since some of them is also used as a specific cultivation point of view. That is, in your point of view, washing under the running tap water overnight 12 hours, remove the excessive fixative solution. Once fixed, the tissue must be treated to allow the cutting of the thin section required for viewing under the microscope. The procedure designed to prepare the tissue for sectioning are collectively known as tissue processing. First, the sample is dehydrated by the immersion in a series of aqueous alcohol solution, gradually moving to pure alcohol. Then tissue is then soaked in appropriate solvent to remove the alcohol. Finally, the tissue is embedded in paraffin wax, which enables the cutting of sections of between 3 and 10 microns thickness. Tissues embedded in paraffin can be sectioned at anywhere from 3 to 10 microns. The techniques of getting fixed tissues into paraffin is called tissue processing. The main steps in processing of the tissue waxing is most important to you. Last in the washing, the subtopic is 2.1.2, that is a significance of washing. So, it necessary to wash out the killing fluid thoroughly before processing with the dehydration and filtration. Some reagent or fixative inhibit proper staining, other leave precipitate which will cause trouble and annoyance not to maintain their being must be removed. Last, continued action damage the material. That in material वगैरे काय असेल ते निघण्याकरता त्याच्यातून निघून जाण्याकरता washing हे खूप महत्वाचे आहे. This is the two important things as a washing is important for the process in the microtechnique. Dear friends, in the unit number 2, the second topic, subtopic is the 2.2, is the dehydrating agents. That is dehydrating agents. So dear friends, we first know about विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला डिहायड्रेशन म्हणजे काय हे माहिती पाहिजे डिहायड्रेटिंग एजंट कडे जाण्याच्या अगोदर. So dehydration is nothing but a process removal of water from the tissue is known as dehydration, or it means replacement of water from the tissue with ethyl alcohol is called dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water from, but in microtomy, dehydration means replacement of water from the tissue with ethyl alcohol. टिश्यू मधलं जे वॉटर आहे पाण्याचे प्रमाण आहे ते बाहेर काढणं विथ द हेल्प ऑफ द इथिल अल्कोहोल. कारण डिहायड्रेशन प्रोसेस कॅरी ऑन करण्याकरता आपल्याला अल्कोहोलचे ग्रेड घ्यावे लागतात. दॅट इज 30% अल्कोहोल, 50% अल्कोहोल, 70, 95, 100. So this is a graded series of the alcohols are used for the dehydration. That is this is a cavity blocks or conical so as a beakers. In this beaker, this is a red color is the tissue material. This tissue material is passing to the specific series. That is a this is a specifically alcohol gradation. That is 30%, 50%, 70, 90, 100. So this is all kinds of the alcohol gradation. So this is the most fixatives are aqueous necessary to prepare the tissue for embedding in a non-aqueous media like paraffin. A large fraction of the tissue water collected tissue once fixed are then dehydrated in graded solution of alcohol or other dehydrating agents. त्याच्यामध्ये टाकून अशा पद्धतीने टिश्यू डिग्रेडेशन आपण केलेली फिगर्स इंडिकेट करते या ठिकाणी. सो दिस इज डिहायड्रेटिंग एजंट्स त्या ठिकाणी जर आपण बघितलं तर त्याच्यामध्ये आपण अशा पद्धतीने त्याच्यामध्ये स्पेसिफिक टेक्निक्स त्या ठिकाणी आपण करून the techniques of dehydration, the duration of the procedure can be noted down as 70% alcohol 1 hour, 70% alcohol 1 hour, 95% alcohol, 95% alcohol 1 hour, absolute alcohol means 100% 1 hour, absolute alcohol. So all kinds of the gradation of the alcohols to getting the dehydration is done so that the wax, that is paraffin wax, which is used for impregnation, can be easily miscible as it is immiscible with water. त्या पद्धतीने त्या ठिकाणी आपण त्याच्यामध्ये टेक्निक्स द्वारे डिहायड्रेटिंग आपण हे वापरू शकतो. सो टू रिमूव्ह फिक्सेटिव्ह अँड वॉटर फ्रॉम द टिश्यू and replace them the dehydrating fluids. The delicate specimens are dehydrated in a graded ethanol alcohol series from water through the 10%, 20, 50, 90, 100% ethanol to minimize tissue distortion from diffusion currents. In the paraffin method, dehydration from aqueous fixative is usually initiated in 60%, 70% ethanol, progressing through 90%, 95% ethanol, absolute ethanol before processing to the clearing stage. So this all kinds of the dehydrating alcohol grades are used for the dehydration of the process by the tissue. Dear friends, so dehydrating agents which are used, types of dehydrating agents. There are the different types of dehydrating agents which are usually commonly by the ethanol, methanol, acetone. Tissue may be held and stored indefinitely in 70% ethanol without harm. जर आपल्याला काही टिश्यू मटेरियल मायक्रोटेक्निक वर्क करत असताना काही टिश्यू मटेरियलचं काम आपलं उरलेलं असेल तर 70% अल्कोहोलला टिश्यू मटेरियल तुम्ही ठेवून दिलं त्याच्यात काही खराब होत नाही. बरेच टाइम आपण त्याच्यात ठेवू शकतो. जेव्हा आपल्याला टिश्यू मटेरियलचं काम असेल त्यावेळेस आपण 70% अल्कोहोल मध्ये बाहेर काढून आपण त्याच्या हिस्टोपॅथॉलॉजिकल हिस्टोडेमॉलॉजी वर्क करण्याकरता वापरू शकतो. सो दिस इज अ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग्स दॅट इज the dehydrating agent 70% alcohol is most important to storing the tissue material. Dehydration, it is the processes in which the water contained in the tissue to be proceed is completely reduced by passing the tissue through increasing the concentrations of dehydrating agent. The various dehydrating agents are used are ethyl alcohol, acetone, isopropyl alcohol, dioxane. So this is a commonly in your syllabus to use by the dehydrating agents is the that is ethanol, methanol, and acetone. These are three dehydrating agents which commonly used by your syllabus. That is in syllabus point of view. That is ethanol is the first to use. That is his advantages appears to cause less extraction of cellular components in general than other agents, infectious and easily obtained. Methanol, it is used for blood tissue films. It is also used for blood smear. So all kinds of the simple ethanol and methanols are mainly used. So acetone may cause less shrinkage of specimen than ethanol, not reactive with OS O5O4 remaining in specimen, miscible with most embedding resins. So all kinds of the three ethanol, methanol, and acetones are commonly used by the dehydrating agents in the microtechniques of your syllabus. Next point of the syllabus, the 2.3 is a clearing. That is first we know about the definition and importance of the clearing. Definition and importance of clearing. So in this definition point of view, clearing is nothing but the processes replacing the dehydrating fluid with a fluid that is totally miscible with both the dehydrating fluid and the embedding medium. Choice of the clearing agents depends upon the many factors. आपल्या पद्धतीने आपण त्या ठिकाणी क्लिअरिंग एजंट वापरू शकतो. क्लिअरिंग इज नथिंग बट अ प्रोसेस. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ dealcoholization. It is the procedure where in the alcohol in the tissue is replaced by a fluid which will dissolve the wax used for impregnating the tissue. The various clearing agents used as cedarwood oil, the best agent but the expensive. Benzene, it is a carcinogenic. Xylene, it is the most commonly used. Chloroform, toxic and expensive. So the clearing agent point of view, that is mostly important to the clearing or dealcoholization is the term applied to the removal of the alcohol from blocks or sections of the tissue by immersing them in an antimedium. Since alcohol is not miscible with paraffin, it must be removed from the tissue and replaced with a solvent which is miscible with both the alcohol and paraffin. The particular mediating super components mediating, that is partially to use by the both media to miscible with. So the definition and importance point about clearing. The next step in the clearing, removal of the dehydrant with a substance that will be miscible with the embedding medium paraffin. Clearing agent is xylene, chloroform, methyl salicylate, clearetite, long chain aliphatic hydrocarbons which are used. That is a specific overview as a most tissue processing done using automatic machines that carry out the steps by the clearation in the automatically. Biological tissue also used by the clearing. So this is a clearing is nothing but a dealcoholization. Also indicate the complete dehydration. If the tissue appears translucent after dealcoholization, it means there is a proper processing. If it is shows white or opaque appearance even after long exposure to dealcoholization solution, then it indicates that dehydration not complete. Dear friends, the clearing nothing but the dealcoholization processes is most important to use objects indicated by the embedding in the wax. So clearing agents and their merits and demerits. Clearing agents and their merits and demerits are mostly 5 clearing agents which are used in microtechnic work, and this detailed discussed in syllabus. That is the first is the xylene, second toluene, third benzene, fourth cedarwood oil, and oil. So these are 5 clearing agents. Out of these 5, which are first, that is the first clearing agent is the xylene. Xylene is the rapid clearing agents. Tissue are rendered transparent by xylene and it volatilizes rapidly in the oven. For smaller objects, transfer them from absolute alcohol to xylene till they get cleared. Give 2 to 3 changes of 20 minutes each as per size of the tissues. Keep for minimum time in the xylene to prevent hardness and brittleness. Brain and blood containing tissue tend to become brittle if immersion is prolonged. Delicate objects may be transferred first to be mixed of half half xylene plus half absolute alcohol to get by use as a xylene. It is a commercially clearing agents is mostly used for the all kinds of the microtechnic work. So its merit is most importantly every microtechnical work is used by the xylene. It is also easily available and get by the commercially available to use by the microtechnic work. Second is a toluene. It has a lower toxicity, but it is a highly flammable. It is also more expensive than xylene. Clearing time is 15 to 118 minutes depending upon the tissue and thickness. Toluene is also as a flammable and expensive. So this is a demerits. So it is not easily used by the in your microtechnic work because we are costly and also as a toxics. Third is the benzene. It is a good clearing medium. It's hardened the tissue less, but as it is highly carcinogenic, it could be avoided. So this is benzene is not easily so it is easily available is a merit, but demerit is the carcinogenic agents and mostly should be avoided for the microtechnic work. Dear friends, next fourth is the cedarwood oil. Fourth is the cedarwood oil. In cedarwood oil, rarely used for routine cleaning purpose because of its cost, खूप महाग असतं, cost and slow action. This reagent causes little or no damage to even the most delicate tissue. It is therefore of a particular value in research laboratory and is embryological procedure. Certain tissue, notable skin and dense fibrous material benefit from the treatment with cedarwood oil and in that it imparts in such tissues of constitutively with facilitates subsequent section cutting. Tissue blocks become transparent after alcohol displacement, but the oil is difficult to eliminated by the wax. Several changes of the wax being necessary. Alternatively, the cleared tissue may be treated with toluene for 30 minutes before being transferred to molten paraffin wax. Cedarwood oil for histological purpose is a thin and colorless liquid for oil immersion objectives. More viscid type of cedarwood oil is used, which is different from that of the clearing cedarwood oil. So this is very costly and is not to fulfillment usually for the microtechnic work. So this is a demerit of this cedarwood oil. Last is the clove oil. Dear friends, विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, सो जसं cedarwood oil महाग आहे तसं clove oil देखील खूप महाग आहे. This has the advantage of being more fluid and the disadvantage of a very pungent odor and a tendency to make objects brittle. जो टिश्यू मटेरियल आहे त्या टिश्यू मटेरियल त्या ठिकाणी ब्रिटल तुकडे होतील का तळे पडतील अशा प्रकारचे रोल त्या ठिकाणी तो करू शकतो. द सीडर वूड ऑइल हॅज द ऑइल शुड नेव्हर बी यूज्ड टू क्लिअर द ऑब्जेक्ट टिश्यूज intended for the embedding in paraffin. They should only be used for clearing the sections or whole mounts intending to mount it Canada balsam or DPX. Dear friends, toluene is the preferred to xylene and chloroform since it does not make the tissue as brittle as does xylene and is not unpleasant to work with and is better penetrating powers than chloroform. About this 5 clearing agents in the syllabus point of view as well as your microtechnic work. Dear friends, xylene is most favorable and usable to easily and very good work to use for the microtechnic work. So every histopathological, histotechnological workers or researchers has used xylene as a good clearing agents to do work. Dear friends, in this way, so this end of this chapters of the second, that is washing, dehydration, clearing, as you know, divided by the 3.2.1 washing, 2.2 dehydrating agents, and 2.3 is the clearing. So this all kinds of the three topics also in old syllabus are the separate chapter, but in second chapter the three topics are combined to form by these second units. Dear friends, in this way the unit number 2 is the end. Any difficulties to ask me anyway by directly telephonic contact by the student. Dear friends, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Thank you.